Hello and welcome to Mac Videos. I'm looking at old cars and look at these engines.
It's right across from Selmy's.
This is a Chevy.
On Highway 30, I believe. No, Rock Island Road, I think it is.
And here's another one.
The address
And this
is in
one's
our calendar. Look it up and
a
Google it if you don't know
Mustang.
where it's at. Mount Carroll, their first cruise night going to be on Saturday, June 23rd.
And this is a Chevrolet.
Starting at 4
There's
o'clock.
so many types of cars. So awesome. There's so many cars. And there's so many cars. And if you hear another voice, that's my cousin. So there's so many.
Saturday, June 30th.
Yeah.
Also, Kelowna Car Show.
That looks
Saturday,
cool.
June 30th. So
I
you
think
have to
that's
pick
my
your favorite show there.
so far. Hey, that
All
looks
these
like
cars
that's,
look really amazing.
Hudson from Lang McQueen.
These cars are really awesome. It does look like the car from Cars. You're right. These cars look really awesome.
I used
We're at a
to
car
pass
show.
by,
One or two,
when I
whatever you
went
need.
to the quantities to pick up my brothers, I used to see
We have a full
a
summer schedule
car that
coming
looks
up.
like Doc Hudson.
And we'd like to thank anyone that sponsored
These are
our
the
show.
cars.
We have a lot of great
Doc Hudson.
sponsors. I know Scott Bickett's
These
here.
are the
Thank you, Scott.
cars.
He was one of the
Cars
first
in a
ones
car
to
show.
say, yes,
Right now
I'd like
I'm
to
walking
sponsor.
around in Sterling.
So, if you'd like
I'm
to
just
sponsor
looking
next
at old
year,
cars.
we'd like to put you
It's
on our
really
calendar.
fun. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.